Yes, I'll be solving problem 657 called Robot Return to Origin. And the problem states that there's a robot starting at position 0, 0, the origin on the 2D plane. Given a sequence of moves, judge if the robot ends up at 0, 0 after it completes all its moves. So the move sequence is represented by a string, and the character moves I represents the ith move. Valid moves are right, left, up, down. If the robot returns to the origin after it finishes all its moves, return true, otherwise return false. Note the way that the robot is facing is irrelevant, so right will always make the robot move right once. L will make the robot move left. Also assume that the magnitudes of the robot's movements are the same for each move. So for example, if the robot moves up and down, it will be back at the origin. If the robot moves left and left, it will be the x position would be -2, so it would not be in the same spot. So if you haven't given this a shot, pause the video and try to solve this. Alright, great. So hopefully you've tried it out. So one way of doing this is that we can keep track of the x position and y position throughout each of the moves, and whenever we see an up, we'll increase the y index or y position, and then whenever we see down, we decrease the y as well. So same thing with left and right. Whenever we see a left, we'll decrease the x. Whenever we see a right, we'll increase the y x. And at the very end, if our x and y are at the origin, then we can say that the robot is back to its original spot. So let's first initialize x and y to be 0, and now we want to loop over all the moves. So for move in moves, if the move is equal to left, then the robot has moved left once, and else if move is equal to right, then the robot has moved x to the right. And if move is down, then the robot has moved down once, and otherwise the move must be, I guess, up. So we'll increase this for 1. Else, I can just raise an error. Unexpected move, and add move. Alright, so in the very end, it's back at the origin if the x and y are still 0. So I can just return x and y is equal to 0, 0. So let's see if this works. Looks like it works for that example. Let me try submitting it. And looks like it's good.